Good morning, good afternoon, all of you. I am Achal Singh of class 7th standard. Now I am here to represent a topic which is rational number. Before knowing about what is rational number, we have to know what are the types of number. So in types of number, firstly we have to know what is the natural number. Definition of natural number is all counting numbers are called natural number. For example, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The alphabet which we use to indicate it is N, and the smallest natural number is 1. Now the second type of number is whole number. The definition of whole number is all counting number together with 0 is called whole number. For example, 0, 2, 4, etc. And the alphabet which we use to indicate it is W, and the smallest whole number is 0. Now the third types of number is integer. The definition of integer is the combination of positive and negative number together with 0 is called integer. For example, the example of integer is shown in the number line. In the number line, in the between of the number line, there is 0, which is also called neutral number, and in the right side of the number 0 we find that all the numbers are in the positive form, just like +1, +2, +3, +4 and +5. And in the left side of the number 0 we find that all the numbers are in the negative form, just like -1, -2, -3 and -4. I would like to tell you that the positive numbers are in the increasing form. But the negative numbers are in the decreasing form. And the 0 is smaller than all positive numbers, but the 0 is greater than all negative numbers. The all positive numbers are greater than 0, but all negative numbers are smaller than 0. All the positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. It is also, or all negative numbers are smaller than positive numbers. Now the alphabetic number which we use to indicate the integer is Z and I. Now come to our main point, which is rational number. Firstly, I would like to tell you about the rational number, that from what number or word the rational number is derived. So rational number is derived from the word ratio, which means comparison between two digits or numbers. Now the definition of rational number. Number is any number which can be used to represent in the form of p by q, and in p by q the q is not equals to 0, means that the denominator is not equals to 0. The example of rational number are etc. The examples are -3/5, 4/2 and etc. Now the difference between fraction and rational number. One main point, the alphabetic number which we use to indicate it is q. And now the difference between fraction and rational number. We find that in fraction, the fraction is always a positive, in the form of positive numbers, just like example 2/4, 4/2 and etc. But in rational number we find positive numbers and negative numbers, but in the fraction we could not find the negative numbers. So this is the difference between rational number and fraction. All the fractions are called rational number, but not all rational numbers are called fraction. Now I will tell you the diagrammatic representation of rational number. It means that all the natural numbers are called whole number and all the whole numbers are called integers, and all the integers are called rational number. How? I will tell you that natural numbers example is 1, 2. In whole number we also find 1 and 2, but all the whole numbers are not called natural number, because in whole number we also find 0, but in natural number we could not find 0. Now the next is all the whole numbers are called integers. For example, we find in integer we also find +1, and in whole number we also find +1, but all the integers are not called whole number, because in integers we also find the minus digits or minus numbers, just like -1, -2, but in whole number we found that all the numbers are in the positive form, just like +1 and +2. Now the next is all the integers are called rational number. For example, if we take 1, it is an integer, and if we know that if 1 has not any numerator, it contains the numerator with 1, and the rational number says that any number expressed in the form of p by q, the 1 is also in the form of p, and the denominator q is also q, so that we can say that 1/1 is a rational number. But all the rational numbers are not called integers, because in integers we also find, because in rational number we also find 1/2 and 2/3. But in integers we could not find the 1/2 and and 2 upon 3, because the integers contains only the numerator with 1. 2 upon 1, 3 upon 1, these are called integers, and rational number also, but it is called an rational number, not integer. So this is the diagrammatic representation of rational number. Now I would like to tell you the forms of rational number. Forms of rational number. There are two types of forms of rational number. First is positive form of rational number, and second is negative form of rational number. What is positive form of rational number? If any number is expressed in the form of p by q, and the p by q and numerator or denominator, but the numerator and denominator sign has same, means that the p has also plus sign and q has also plus sign. If the numerator has minus sign, denominator has also minus sign. So it is called a positive form of rational number, because the positive form of rational number says any number expressed in the form of p by q and the numerator and denominator or p and q has the same sign. Means for example minus 2 upon minus 3, it is the positive form of rational number, and such more example just like minus 2 plus 2 upon plus 3, minus 3 upon plus 2, minus 2 plus 3 upon plus 2. These are the examples of positive form of rational number. The second is negative form of rational number. What is negative form of rational number? Negative form of rational number says that any number expressed in the form of p by q and the p and q has the different sign, means that if p has the plus sign and q has the minus sign, it is called the negative form of rational number. And if the p has plus sign and q has also plus sign, it is called a positive form. If the p has minus sign and q has plus sign, it is also called an negative form of rational number. Difference between positive and negative: positive says the numerator and denominator has the same sign, but in negative form of rational number says that the numerator and denominator has the different sign. Thank you very much.